Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on preparing iOS 18 update. Method 1. Check the iPhone storage and free up iPhone space. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Here, you can find the space used on your iPhone. You can tap the app to uninstall it and free up the space. Method to connect the iPhone to a stable network. Tap Settings. Tap General. Then, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. OK, enter your screen passcode. Confirm to delete all network settings. The iPhone network is reset to default. You can connect it to another network. Method 3. Fix iPhone stuck on preparing update with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is a powerful iOS system repair software that can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can download iSunshare iOS Repair Genius from iSunshare.com. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Hit the next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone stuck issue is repaired successfully. Your iPhone will reboot at the same time. That's all for the video.